today I'm here with my sister. So she already faced with it. She already faced with it. Her name channel like Starly. Not Miss Starly, only Starly. So yeah, I'm gonna face with it. Just I'm gonna do something for my face with it. So yeah. Okay. Three, three, two, one. I guess it's me. It's me, Kasi. Thank you for my all my pets. This is my sister. She's always on her phone. Like yeah, I mean she's little bit smart, a little bit, but she's always on her phone. So I'm gonna do. I have to. Hey, sorry about for my sister. So yeah, let's get let's get right into it. Guys, today I'm gonna play something. Just don't worry, I have Roblox, but I can't go into it now because I don't know what my password is. But yeah, what should I pick something? What would I always play? Minecraft, Flip the Clip, Avatar World. You know what? We're gonna play Pixel Paint. Okay, okay. Guys, I'm gonna draw something. Color something. I already color some. Like, I don't know. It's like I'm gonna paint pixel paint. It's not today. It's not Christmas, but I like I like the decoration though. Let me choose. You know what? I'm gonna Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna paint this one. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna mute for a second because I'm coloring. So, and I'm done coloring. I'm gonna show it how it's done. So, so wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Guys, I am almost done. Guys, actually so cute. Guys, comment down below what should I color next. Okay. Next. Did you see this? Yeah, I don't know my password, so let's get into the black sleep. Guys, don't worry, I'm not sick at all. I don't know why do I have a voice or something. Like I don't know. That's it. My sister name is Katsu. Okay. Okay. Oh, the tsunami is coming. Okay, upas. Upas. You really want to watch it then fine. Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Zola, how do I cook a perfect soft-boiled egg? If I can make it, I'm
The
uninstalling
edge.
you!
And tired of the edge. Like I'm tired of this edge. Like oh my gosh. Okay, don't worry, guys. Okay. Guys, I don't like Disney, but I don't know why didn't I delete it. So let me delete it. Cut. This is not actually my real character. I just searched it on on Google. I just designed it a little bit. Only a little bit. Guess this is Danish word, but as girl. This is Gooby, but a girl. And only my sister know a lot of this. So I don't. Or I know this is Gooby, but this I don't know. But I designed this very well. Her her hair her hair looks very not real. Please don't worry. Please don't worry. Okay. This did I do really well on I don't know his name. Okay, this is okay, guys. Okay, this is the Chinese dance, but there's a lot happening like that. There's a crazy ending, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna let you watch it. So yeah. Ooh, her crazy cousin is here riding a truck, and bro died with his phone broken. See that guys, you see, this is my flag, Philippines. Yeah, guys, I'm in Philippines. Let's go into this white thing. Okay, boom. This is the homeless man before she get the game. So she is asking for, can you give me money? Oh, sister. Look, she is so sad. Now she's so rich. I give her some money. She's so rich. Look at OMG. The bullies turned into her face. This is the care. Okay, this is care. Like, like, I don't like the care. Like this, that's she is before. She always want like look at yeah. I agree. Like oh my god. That okay. I gotta boom. Give me money. Give me. Haha. More. Yeah. Yeah. That's stupid carrot. Okay, let's get into it again. Okay. Boom, this is my sister Cat Cat. She's she she loves lollipop and a poop and a big dog poop on her, and she's so scared. The her lollipop is disgusting smelling, and the poop went down, and we just checking on Cat, and you could hear uh, stinky, and and bro just parked. Eh, 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 uh, so if you didn't know, I have a little brother named CJ, and this is her as a baby, but I turned her into a girl. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Look at her, she's so cute as a baby. She's so slay a as a girl. And look at her iPhone 17 and just turned into great because she's so sweet. And the green is gone. And, and her necklace is so beautiful, so cute. Look at her, she's so cute. Her hair is so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, look at this. Oops, oopsie, oopsie. Okay, guys, I'm so happy. Like, this is my smile. Okay, let me go into it. Guys, for those who don't know, I have a cousin. Her name is Ina. I know he's drawing. I let her phone. This is her fake drawing. I actually draw this. This is Among Us, Siboko. I draw this like I draw this. And this is her real drawing. Like just look at London. I can't even talk right now. Like I don't know her drawing. Like oh my gosh. Like I just even understand is her drawing. And then this. Actually, this a rainbow, but like you see, they so beautiful.